Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribe because I have awesome stuff coming. In today's episode, I'm gonna reveal a new build since Lexus is finished and I need another build so we can jump back and forth between the builds when one build is stuck and I can continue making content for you guys to get you entertained. Let's turn around and see what kind of build I got. Alright guys, I'm happy to introduce you my new build, 2013 Ford F350. As you guys asked me to do one of those rolled over trucks. This truck been waiting for its turn a long time. I purchased it long ago and I just didn't have enough time for it, but finally the time is came for it. I got the key made for it a couple days ago. This truck never been started. I purchased it as a rolled over, non-running, non-starter truck. And I don't see any reason this truck would not be started. Let's get this tarp out and try to start it up. Alright, guys, this is the moment. Now you can see how bad is it. 1, 2, 3. Here you go. This is it. Exactly what you asked for. My plan for this rebuild, take the cab out. I don't want to do any framework on this vehicle. That's why I told you that you can do this build in your driveway with minimum of tools and with the skills. But also, you can follow my rebuild, how I done it. And you're gonna know exactly where all the bolts and how it can be done. You can do same thing on your driveway. The cab gonna be replaced. The bed is gonna be replaced. Basically what I'm gonna do, take the whole truck apart. I will pick up the cab, take it aside. I have a parts truck. We'll get the cab off of that one, set it up here. I'll have to purchase a bed, and then the whole truck gonna get back together. and probably gonna have to repaint the whole thing because the push truck is not in a good shape. Now it's time to see if this truck will even start, and if it won't start, I have to see what kind of issue could be there, and I will trace the problem. I'm pretty sure we'll start this truck. Let's see. Let's see if it'll start. Oh, we got the power. Fan is blowing. 1, 2, 3. Let's try again. Nope. Doesn't want to start up. Not enough juice. Finished rebuild. Gonna save up. I hope it's gonna save up the startup rebuild. Alright guys, attempt number 2. Finger crossed. 1, 2, 3. Nope. Again. Nope. Let's try again. Nope. Let's try one more thing. I know Fords have a fuel pump switch shut off. Let's see. Let's locate that switch and see if it's shut off or not. I dealt with a lot of Fords, and I'm pretty sure that's a fuel pump shut off switch. Let's go another side and try to find it. And if it's off, let's turn it on. If it's not, then probably something wrong with something else. Oh, I noticed it right away. You can see over here this little window. That's probably the issue. Let's open it. You can see there's a red button. Let's press that in. And let's go try it again. Alright guys, attempt number 3. It started getting into me. And I hope it will start. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Woo! Let's see how many miles on it. Alright guys, I cannot see how many miles on it. The screen and the speedometer doesn't work. Nothing, not a single light works or anything. Nothing works. So I think what's going on is when it's rolled over, either water got in or something, because those systems connected together, the GPS and the speedometer, they become computerized, and I think something wrong with them. So that means before I start taking this vehicle apart, I need to purchase the speedometer and GPS to make sure everything works before I start taking everything apart, because otherwise I will start searching everywhere what's going on. Maybe I forgot to plug it in something or something else. But I'm so happy this truck starts. I mean, it's so much relief when the vehicle starts. That means everything gonna go smooth. Oh, it's stinky. It stinks so bad. All right, let's get the Lexus out of here, get everything out of here, and get the truck next to the garage. All right, it started, but let's see if it runs. All right, guys, I got it in the front of the garage. As you can see, it won't fit through my 7-foot door. It will fit through other door, but I think the lengthwise, it will be so tight. So this project probably gonna have to be done outside of the shop in the open area. With the rain and all that gonna be in our way, but I'll get it done. Truck starts, runs, 4x4 works. I already off-roaded. So I'm really happy with this purchase. And again, you guys gonna have questions. How much you bought it for? If I remember right, the winning bid was $87,000 or $9,000. with the Copart fees, dealer fees, and towing, right here, right now, $10,000. Comment down below what you think about 10 grand. Is it worth the 10 grand or not? It might not for somebody, but it definitely works for me. This truck, it's right around $35,000, $38,000 right now. Of course with the clean title. But again, I think it's a good deal. The front end is good. Tailgate is good. Rear bumper is good. Cab, not a problem. Bed is also not a problem. 6 bolts on the bed, 6 bolts on the cab, 6 bolts on the core support, and everything can be lifted like this. Put it aside, and new cab can be lifted back, bolted in, and basically truck is ready. I managed to get the truck inside the garage. It's actually fit this much from the garage door. It's more space right now here, but the main was garage door. Thank you guys for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for being with me. I really appreciate your support. Without you guys, those videos wouldn't be on YouTube. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the comments. And that's it for this episode. The next episode, I'm gonna replace the GPS with the speedometer, and hopefully that's gonna work. And then I'll start taking everything apart. Stay tuned. Be sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv, and I'll see you next one.